hu pfala uri phambano dzo thoma musi ṱho ya tshikolo vha tshi kombetshedza mudededzi ane vhane vha si khou ṱoḓa tshi vha funza. Nga murahu musi nyambedzano dzo fholodza vhagudiswa vha ḓo dzhia mulayo vha vhea zwanḓani, ho ḓo fhiswa ofisi ya vho fara mabambiri a ndeme. Muṅwe wa vharangaphanḓa vhuponi uho uri wa tou pfa nga mavharivhari.
Go no kwagala gore bana ba sekolo go na le tse ba sa di kgotsofalelego go ya le melawana le dipeakanyo tša sekolo, and then mola go na le mabarabara a gore modulasetulo le go hlogo ya sekolo go ka ba go na le tše le gore a ka jira mo baneng ba sekolo tše le gore ga di ba kgotsofatše go ya le ka tšela le tšela ka mokgwa ba kwane go ka tšona. Bala bana ba sekolo ba feleletša ka mokana go riegile tša gore ba tšeele molao ka matsogong.
Ba Congress of South African Students ba re baiti ba zwo ba khou tea u fariwa nga tshihadu.
We condemn such an act. Whether if they want an intervention, they should have at least contacted us as COSAS comrades to come and intervene, because we have COSAS across the province and across South Africa. So we hope and believe at some point they should be, the law should actually take its charge, because what they did actually is not good at all.
Ba muhasho wa zwa pfunzo ba re maitele aya a tshinya dzina la muhasho.
We are disappointed by the action of learners at Sefogole-Sepeke who went on rampage. They banned one of the offices, allegedly because they did not want one of the teachers to teach the matric class. We are saying that if learners are aggrieved one way or the other, they know the processes to follow, but in this instance, the principal of the school is accused to be the one who is causing anarchy at the school.
Ba khorombosi ya tshikolo bola muamba na vha khasho ya SABC, Lutendo Bobori ya SABC News, Tshehlwaneng.